Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study and remember anatomy. Begin by understanding the fundamental organization of the human body. Focus on how different systems, like the skeletal or muscular system, interact. Utilize high-quality anatomical atlases and three-dimensional models to visualize structures. This approach helps build a strong foundational knowledge, making subsequent learning much more intuitive and effective. Active learning is crucial for retaining anatomical information. Instead of just reading, engage with the material by drawing out structures like bones or organs from memory. Practice labeling blank diagrams until you can do so accurately. Explaining complex anatomical concepts to a study partner or even to yourself aloud can reveal gaps in your knowledge and strengthen recall. Employing memory aids can significantly boost your ability to remember intricate anatomical details. Develop creative mnemonics for challenging lists, such as the cranial nerves or carpal bones. Flashcards are excellent for drilling terms, origins, insertions, and innervations. Always try to link new anatomical facts to something you already know, forming a mental web of interconnected information. Consistent review is the cornerstone of long-term anatomical memory. Implement spaced repetition, revisiting topics at increasing intervals to prevent forgetting. Challenge yourself by applying your anatomical knowledge to hypothetical clinical cases, which deepens understanding and prepares you for practical application. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.